In today's video I will show you how to rickroll someone on Discord mobile app. First, copy the link of the rickroll video. Click on the three dots. Click Share. Then copy link. Back over to Discord. And then what you want to do instead of pasting the link and sending it. Because as you can see, you will see a preview and then people won't click on. So instead add an arrow to the left. Then paste the link. Then add another sort of like arrow to the end. Then send it in. Because of that there's no preview. There's only the link. Then they'll click on it.